This 2024 CrossRoads Cameo CE4041DB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Cleburne, Texas, 76031 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Cleburne. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features a steely gray interior, sleeps 4, slide-out, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear bath, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.